Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the replacement process of the battery and hard drive in your Lenovo Yoga C940, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips number 00 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge. Start by powering down your device completely and unplugging it from any power source. Once it's off, flip the laptop over and locate the 10 screws on the back panel. Carefully use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, placing them in a safe location. After removing the screws, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips as you work your way around the edges. If you're unsure about this process or feel uncomfortable, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the back panel is removed, locate the battery. You'll see several screws securing it in place. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver, keeping them organized for reassembly. Next, carefully disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. If you don't have the tools for this, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. With the battery removed, it's a good time to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fan and other internal areas. This will help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Now, let's move to the hard drive replacement. Locate the hard drive, which is typically secured by 2 screws. Remove these screws and gently lift the hard drive out of its bay. If your hard drive is a SATA drive, you may need to detach the connector carefully. If you're not comfortable doing this, remember that we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Replace the old hard drive with the new one by aligning it with the connector and gently pushing it into place. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. After replacing the hard drive, double-check all connections. It's crucial that everything is securely in place to avoid any issues. Now, it's time to reinstall the battery. Position it back in its slot, reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Before putting the back panel on, give everything a final check to ensure all components are correctly seated and no tools are left inside. Finally, align the back panel to the base of the laptop and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier and tighten them firmly, but be careful not to over-tighten. After securing the back panel, flip the laptop back over, connect it to the power source, and turn it on. Your Lenovo Yoga C940 should power up smoothly, ready for use with its new battery and hard drive. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. With our services, you can enjoy no calls, no travel, while we help you with your tech needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.